for number 1, it's the measurement of angle ACB equals half of the measure of arc AB. And you plug in 110 for the arc AB and multiply by half to get the measure of angle ACB equals 55. Because the arc and the angle have a relationship, and that's the formula for that. For number 2, the two angles are congruent, so you set them equal to each other. So you have 2x plus 20 equals 4x. You subtract the 2x, and you have 20 equals 2x, and then divide by 2, and you get x equals 10. And that's x, and then you know that and then you have to plug it in for that angle. So you have 4 times 10 equals 40, and then the arc you multiply by 2, so you get 80. For number 3, the two angles are linear pairs. So you have 16x plus 10y equals 180. And x plus 13y equals 180. And you have to eliminate one of the variables, so multiply the top one by -5 and the bottom one by 8 to get -80x minus 50y equals -900. And then 80x plus 104y equals 1440. And then you would add them together. In the -80 and 80x cancel each other out. So you're left with 54y equals 840. And then you divide 840 by 54 to get y's by itself, and y equals 10. And then you have to plug that back into the first one to figure out x. So you have 16x plus 10 times 10 equals 180. And 10 times 10 equals 100. So you have 16x plus 100 equals 180. subtract the 100, and you have 16x equals 80, and divide by 16, and you have x equals 5. So now you have x and y, so you can figure out the angles of A, B, C, and D. So the measurement of angle A is 10 times 10, because you plug in 10 for y, and you get 100. Measurement of angle B is 10 times 5, because x is 5, and you get 50. Measurement of angle C is 13 times y, and you plug in 10 for y, so you get 130. And measurement of angle D is 16 times x, and x is 5, so you have 16 times 5, which is 80.